we are going to discuss about male reproductive system. In this section, we will be discussing the structure and the major organs of the male reproductive system and their functions, then trace the pathway of the sperm cells in the organ cell. What is actually male reproductive system? It consists of a number of sex organs that are a part of human reproductive process. So in this, it produces, stores, and releases the male gametes or sperm. Male reproductive system can be divided into two parts. First one is external genital organs, then internal genital organs. In external genital organs, there are two organs, penis and scrotum, whereas in case of internal genital organ, testis, epididymis, vas deferens. Accessory glands are seminal vesicle, prostate glands, bulbourethral glands. See here, you can see the side view as well as the front view of male reproductive system. Let's look into external genital organs, penis and scrotum. Penis is an organ by which the sperm is introduced into the female. It contains spongy tissue that becomes turgid and erect when filled with blood. It's here they have shown the parts of penis. And there are certain tissues, we can call it them as erectile tissues. First one is corpus spongiosum. It is a mass of spongy tissue which surrounds urethra and involves in the erection by allowing a rushing of blood into it. Second is corpus cavernosa. It is one of the pair of songe-like regions of erectile tissue which contains most of the blood in the penis during the penile erection. And now let's see the urethra, that is a tube within the penis that conveys semen out of the body during ejaculation. And glands, they are surrounded highly sensitive head of the penis. Then prepuce, a fold of skin covering a head of the penis. Now let's see what is scrotum. It's a pouch of skin formed from the lower part of the abdominal wall. The scrotum keeps the testis at a temperature slightly cooler than body temperature. Now let's see what are those internal genital organs. First one is testis. The testes are two oval-shaped male organs that produce sperm and hormone testosterone. So in testes, there are two things are produced. That first one is sperm and second one is a hormone, that is testosterone. That is a primary male sex hormone. Each testis is made up of tightly coiled structures that are known as seminiferous tubules. Among these tubules are cells that produce testosterone. See here we can see the figure of seminiferous tubule. Now let's see what is epididymis. It is a tightly coiled tubes against the testicles. It acts as a maturation and storage space of sperm. And vas deferens. Vas deferens is a thin tube that starts from the epididymis to the urethra in the penis. They transport sperm from the epididymis and in anticipation of ejaculation. Now let's see the accessory glands. There are three accessory glands. First one is seminal vesicle, second one is prostate gland, and third is bulbourethral glands. These glands produce nourishing fluids for the sperm that enters the urethra. When we come to seminal vesicles, they are sac-like structures attached to the vas deferens at one side of the bladder. They produce a sticky yellowish fluid that contains fructose. And while coming to prostate gland, it surrounds the ejaculatory ducts at the base of the urethra, just below the bladder. The prostate gland is responsible for making the production of semen, a liquid mixture of sperm cells, prostate fluid, and seminal fluid. And the last one is bulbourethral glands. The bulbourethral glands are small two glands which are located on the sides of the urethra just below the prostate gland. These glands produce a clear, slippery fluid that empties directly into the urethra. See, the main function of male reproductive system is to produce sperm cells and deliver them to the female reproductive system. It consists of external and internal genital organs, which are essential for the continuous reproduction of the life.